What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Pop Culture Gamers video. And today we have an unboxing of something I've been wanting to get for about a year now, and this is the Retroid Pocket 5. So this is a kind of mid-range portable device that you can play retro games on, and also anything up to a little bit of light Switch gameplay. Not that I'm going to be trying to do Switch on here, but you can do a lot with various different formats, all the way up to, I think, the Wii and maybe a little bit beyond that, PSP, etc. As long as you legally own the ROMs, which you'd need to have the original games in order to be able to get those ROMs. But here it is. So it comes in this really nice, rather, good cardboard sort of case. It is quite Apple orientated in terms of the packaging, because it's got a magnetic lid on there, and when we open it up, as you can see, it's got this nice foam rubber padding. There is the quality assurance seal on there as well, and in here we have the console itself nicely packed up, but also the Retroid Pocket instruction manual, as you can see there, and a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is yet another one to add to the arsenal of these that I actually have. So we'll just take this out of here to have a look next. As you can see, this has a really lovely screen on this. This is a 1080p Full HD 60 Hz refresh rate, 5.5 inch AMOLED. It's a touchscreen display as well. The operating system in here is Android 13. It has expandable TF micro card socket as well. There's 8GB of DDR4X RAM. There's 128GB UFC 3.1 internal storage. It's got the Adro 650 graphics card, and more importantly the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor in here as well. The sticks here, they are actually Hall effect analog sticks, and there's also Hall effect analog triggers as well. It's got an active cooling system on here, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, Bluetooth 5.2, USB-C charging and display output as well, so you can actually use this as a console for your big TV if you really want to. And it's got a 5000 milliamp rechargeable battery on here as well. In terms of the type of things that this will allow you to play, there'll be systems like the PS2, GameCube, Wii and 3DS with upscaled and running smoothly. And as I said, it also will play some select Nintendo Switch and OG Xbox games. It also has native Android gaming as well, so playing demanding titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty and Zenless Zone Zero, you can easily map the physical controllers to the on-screen buttons, which are in the here they're in the Nintendo layout, but you can map them to Xbox layout as well. You can also do media and streaming apps on here like Netflix, YouTube, Apple Music, all of that directly. So there's lots of options with this as a device. It's not necessarily just one that you're going to use for gaming. You can use it for anything that an Android device can be used for, basically. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a setup guide for this, because I will need to create a whole set of ROMs for this, because it doesn't come pre-installed like a lot of the sort of like Anbernic and ones like that do. And the only things that you get in here obviously are the Pocket handheld console itself, the charging cable, the manual, and then it's just the packaging other than that. But it is a really nice console. So if we look, we've got two forward mounted speakers on here. We've got a home button, we've got a back button, we've got the 2 analog sticks which feel really quite nice. We've got a nice sort of D-pad up here, and then the A, B and XY buttons on here. We have the power on, we have the up and down volume, we've got R1 and R2 and L1 and L2 on there as well. There's a USB socket, as you can see, and then there is the room for the TF card slot in there as well, so it's nicely protected under that. Looking at the back, this does have a large cooling system on it as well, so as you can see there, it's got plenty of cooling vents so that you'll be able to get this device nice and cool, but it will run quite quietly as well. And then this obviously extra vent at the top. But yeah, that's the device. It varies quite considerably. I've seen it for as low as a couple of hundred up to £300, depending upon when and where you get it. But obviously if you can get it in a sale, it's probably the best time, especially if it's something like Amazon Black Friday event or something or other like that. It's not as powerful as some of the more top-end systems, but really for the power for the buck sort of thing, this is going to even run some limited indie PC games as well, and maybe really older titles which you can also get to run on this system. I've heard talk of people getting games like Fallout 3 and maybe Fallout 4 running on the system quite easily, but also more modern titles like Hades and that sort of thing, and you can even output those to TV. So there is the scope for a lot of actual PC gaming, and then you can also use Moonlight to stream onto here. If you've got Game Pass, you can download the Game Pass app and you can actually stream your games directly to your console, or just from your console, or from iCloud services as well as another option. It does have these quite funky grips here which make it quite comfortable in terms of when you're actually grabbing it. But if I turn it on, I'm not sure how much battery power there is in here, but you can see the screen's really nice and bright. There's lots of different colours of this as well. There's like a white one. I think that there is also one that is more aimed at your GameCube sort of era and that sort of thing. And yeah, that's that's the thing here. The great thing about this is, because this is like such a matte black and it's an OLED screen, the bars that you get on the back or the top and the bottom, depending upon the resolution of the system that you're emulating, will fade into the black glass top that we have up here as well. I forgot to mention, we've also, as well as the normal ones, we've also got this play button and a stop button up here as well. So there's lots of buttons that you can actually map on here. So that's it. That's my quick unboxing of this wonderful product, which I'll be making more videos of very shortly, so keep an eye on that. Hope you've enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.